Greetings, WordPress enthusiasts! Today, we dive into a critical discovery, the vulnerability of a popular Google Fonts optimization plugin. Join us as we unravel the details and implications for over 300,000 sites. The plugin in focus. Meet the plugin under scrutiny. OMGF vertical bar GDPR DSGVO Compliant. Faster Google Fonts. Easy. Designed to optimize Google Fonts usage and comply with GDPR, it holds value for European users seeking font efficiency. The Vulnerability Unveiled. A recent revelation has surfaced. A high-rated vulnerability in this plugin. The alarming part? Unauthenticated attackers can delete directories and launch cross-site scripting attacks without needing any credentials. Understanding unauthenticated attacks. Let's break it down. Unauthenticated means attackers require no registration or credentials. The vulnerability grants them the power to delete directories and inject cross-site scripting payloads, a formidable threat. The cross-site scripting menace. Cross-site scripting explained. A malicious script infiltrates the server, posing a threat to visitors' browsers. This script can compromise cookies or session data, allowing the attacker to assume the user's privileges. The root cause. WordFence researchers pinpoint the cause: a lack of capability check. This security feature ensures users have appropriate access levels. The vulnerability lies in the update_settings, mid-chart function, a critical admin-level feature. WordPress capability checking. Referencing official WordPress guidelines, user capabilities determine specific permissions. A missing capability check in the update_settings function exposes the plugin to unauthorized data modification and stored cross-site scripting. The security gap closure attempts. WordFence notes previous updates aimed to seal the security gap. However, version 5.7.10 is identified as the most secure iteration. It's a reminder of the ongoing battle to fortify digital defenses. WordFence's advisory. WordFence issues a stark advisory for versions up to 5.7.9, categorizing them as susceptible to unauthorized directory deletion and cross-site scripting. Stay informed and ensure your plugin is up to date. Conclusion and caution. In conclusion, this revelation urges vigilance. For WordPress users, especially those with the plugin in question, prioritize security. Updates matter. Stay secure, stay informed. Special thanks to WordFence for uncovering and addressing this critical vulnerability. Join us for more insights into the ever-evolving landscape of WordPress. Until next time, happy securing. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for joining today's session.